What's going on, YouTube? So today I'm going to be unboxing the Nike Air Max 720-818 cream color. Okay, it's unisex. Either the man could rock it or the females could rock it. All right. Now, guys, let me give you guys a little hint, a little information, something that can help you out. All right. If you are a man, all right, if you are a male, okay, and you are short in height, all right, you're not that tall, all right, and you find yourself always trying to kick it to that girl that you can't get, all right, because she doesn't feel like you're tall enough to get her. You're not a basketball player. I mean, even though you play basketball, but you're not as tall as a basketball player. You're under 6 foot, maybe you're only 6'1", you want to be 6'3", whatever, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But you're just looking for that height so you can impress that girl and say, hey, listen, I'm a little tall like them dudes over there. You don't need to go with them. You can go with me, you know what I'm saying? But I got a little hint for you, all right? This Air Max 720-818s, they got the tallest air unit that you can have. So, get one of these, you know what I'm saying? It'll make you look taller, you understand what I'm saying? If you're like 5'8", you're gonna look like 5'10". If you're like 5'9", you're gonna look like 5'11". And for the ladies, because these shoes are unisex, they're like high heels, really. When the ladies wear the high heels, it makes their calves look good, you understand what I'm saying? For both gender, it's a win-win situation. You can't lose with it. Now, guys, I know every one of you probably, if you grew up in the hood, depending on where you grew up, see a taller dude walking across the street, you probably want to size him up. But if you're a little short, you kind of feel that insecurity inside of you, there's no need of that anymore. You got the 720-818, throw those things on, man them up, you know what I'm saying? Size them up. It's no problem, right? Let's take a look at these kicks. Let's see what it looks like. Show you the bottom. Let me show you the top. Now, guys, this is the cream color, okay? This particular one is the cream color. It's got the orange strip right across it. It says 720-818, all right? These bubbles, like I mentioned to you guys before, the Air Max 720-818 is the tallest air unit. These are the Air Max 720 bubbles, okay? They are very, very comfortable, very bouncy, very springy, and they give you a lot of height, all right? This material right here is not penetratable. So let's say, for example, it's raining, your socks is not gonna get wet. It's not like some other sneakers. It's not gonna get wet and you sit through right through your shoe. No, that's not gonna happen. You understand what I'm saying? You can run in these, you can play basketball in these, you can do whatever in these. You know what I'm saying? This is as comfortable as it gets, all right? It just depends, you know, what choice you make with it. If you wanna use this as an everyday casual walk around, or you wanna play some sports in these, you can do this with whatever you wanna do it with. You know what I'm saying? This comes with a retail price of between, this comes between a price of maybe, I'll say between 80 and 170. All right, depends on where you get it from. If you got it online or you got it at a store. If it's on sale, you know what I'm saying? So I can't really tell you which particular price because it varies. Everybody can get it for different prices. Somebody will tell you they got it at 140, somebody will tell you they got it at 70, you understand what I'm saying? So it's probably better to look for that sale that'll give you a cheaper price. Like I said again, guys, males, listen, this will make you look taller. You can size that man up if you're trying to size up for a couple of months because he's been trying to man you up on you know what I'm saying? And ladies, this will make your calves look good. It'll make you look taller. You know what I'm saying? I've now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you guys are new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. And if you're not, click that like button, click that share button, and click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching my video. And until next time, ladies, maybe I might see you with these on. And guys, maybe I might see you with these on. Or maybe not. I'll see you guys later. One easy.